The real thing I'm thinking is that you might want to you might want to say a prayer for the madness up for Burnett. You see, half of the mountain, the Chocolate Verde, they're all mad. All the bears and the dogs and the birds, they're all crazy. They met that Burnett fella. I didn't meet enough of the locale to send the other half mad, but sure they are. I'm going to stroll around. I've decided to take a 10-day rest because I feel tired. Now, not tired from tiredness, but an inclusive sense of